Hi there. In this video we're going to put together a card for a guy or a boy. It's a video gaming card. I'll be sharing the design space file in the group I help admin, Cricut, Explorer, Maker, and more. I will link to it in the description box below, as well as all the supplies I used to make this card. So let's get into it. Alright, I got my card base. I like top folding card base. Okay, set that off to the side. First I'm going to put the pattern paper is from Creative Fabric. I printed it out. Let's see, can I get it to focus? No. Oh well. I'll link to it below as well. Originally I was going to make this a shaker card, but I decided against it. And I was going to add glitter. Again, decided against it. Because it's supposed to be a masculine card. Card for a guy or a boy. Okay, so that's how that goes. Looks good to me. And now is the layering of the video game, handheld video game. And it says, you don't grow old, you level up. That's the sentiment. Alright, so I'm going to glue the yellow onto the bluey green one. Looks maybe a mint, maybe. Make sure you got it on the right side. It's a little narrow. All right. Try to line up the holes and the plus sign as good as you can. Alright, I'm going to roll over it with my brayer. Looks good. Looks good. Alright, and then the black piece goes behind it to give the buttons their color. Well, I didn't line mine up good enough. Oh well. It'll be fine. It looked even. All right. Okay. So there's that. And then this piece is to help you line this up at an angle. Okay. So I'm going to glue this onto the background. Alright. So you just line it up with the edges. You can put it where you want. You can do it up or down. I'm just going to put it wherever I think it looks good at. Alright. Usually I pop dot. I mean, I guess I can pop dot. Maybe not. It's too much work today. I think I adhesive foam dotted myself out yesterday with that one card I did. Plus I don't think I got an open pack. Pretty sure I used it all. So line it up. Whoop. Okay. Flipping it over to get good adhesion. So next is to put it on the card base. This file that I will share will require a Cricut Access subscription because of the font I used and the image. And the font and the image. What else? I forget. Alright. It's on there good. I don't know what I was trying to say. But it will require a Cricut Access in order to cut it. Alright. And we're done. I don't know why it's not auto-focusing. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check for the link in the description box below. Bye.